Hello, happy homemakers. I am Bailey from My Life as a Homemaker, and today I'm bringing you a grocery haul. This is really bright. There we go. We have been trying to stock up a little bit, trying to find things that we can freeze, that we can eat. Honestly, we're not like too worried about it, but we just want to make sure that we have everything we get is going to be eaten anyway, so we might as well get it, and then if we're stuck here for a couple weeks, we're stuck here for a couple weeks. But anyway, we're not really that concerned, to be honest, but we needed to do grocery shopping anyway, so we're like, let's just get everything we can. But this first grocery haul here, or this first part here is Aldi's, and they didn't have any frozen vegetables or meat pretty much. So everything, we got most of the things we ordered except for the frozen vegetables and the meat, but I was surprised that we got all of this. So we have Sam's Club coming in a little bit, and then whatever we don't get from Sam's Club, Sean's gonna run to Walmart and get the rest of what we need. So here we go.
I know I messed up. Yeah, I know I did you wrong, but I learned my lesson. Now what if we could move on? Remember the good days. I wish that we could go back. I know I'm not perfect, but at least give me a try. I'm sorry for making you feel like you're not good enough, 'cause you're the best, you know. I'm sorry.
Okay, so we got Sean another thing of pop, and we got Journey some diapers. This is the Aldi brand. They're actually the little Journey brand. We always used to get those when she was first born because we loved them, and that's her name. But anyway, we also got some salad, which won't hold up for long, but it'll be good for now. We got 2 things of lasagna. These will last us for a couple times. We only need 1 of these for the 4 of us, so, or 3 of us. There's only 3 of us. Then I got some individually wrapped cheese. This is not the Kraft brand, but it's the Aldi brand, and it's really good. So I got 3 things of tortillas. We make tacos a lot, and so I can freeze them. We actually already had some, so I just got these because might as well. We got a bunch of bananas. They're green, so we won't be able to eat them really yet, but I got brownie mix, 2 boxes of that, just in case. Strawberries. I got 2 things of onions, or red onions and yellow onions. I got some pasta sauce here, tomato, basil, and garlic. Then I got some black beans. We use those for tacos and soups and stuff. So then we got cereal, Kids Crunch. We usually get the Kids Berry Crunch, but they didn't have that. And then we got Cheerios, well, off-brand Cheerios. Then we got some juice. Now that I'm pregnant, I crave juice like all the time. So I got white grape juice and mango passion fruit juice. And then I also got vegetable oil because we didn't have any. And I ran out. So this is what everything looks like. It's not very much. Actually, I ordered quite a bit more. There should have been a lot more vegetables and some ground turkey, but that's okay. We're gonna get what we can. But anyway, I will be back in a little bit to show you the Sam's Club haul.
If you just believe it, I know we can make it.
I keep on thinking back on it, when we escaped with our first real paycheck. Wasn't much, but we needed less, yeah, than we do now. We were driving along the coast. I felt the ocean breeze on my face. But even though we were broke as hell, I wouldn't change anything. I wouldn't change anything. If I throw a coin down a wishing well.
Okay, so from Sam's Club, we got Dr. Pepper. They got most everything we needed. T-bone steaks, chicken. I ordered a bag of chicken and I ordered 2 bags of chicken and 2 different kinds, but this is all they had. So she brought us these, which is totally fine. This will be good for a while. Then we got these chips. They have Ruffles, cheddar and sour cream, Cheeto Puffs, which are my favorite, Funyuns, which are also my favorite, Cool Ranch Doritos, and honey barbecue Fritos. And then we got Chobani yogurts, which I told you I wanted the flip yogurts. They didn't have that, but they just have the regular yogurt, which works fine too. Now my husband is headed to Walmart to try and find the rest of the stuff. Journey wants to say hi. Hi. My husband is going to the store to get the rest of the stuff or try to get more everything else, and then we will be home for the rest of the day. But we're not going to the store. He's gonna go by himself. So wish him luck. Okay guys, so the last of our grocery haul. This is what all we got from Walmart. Not a lot, but we didn't need a lot. So we got Journey some sippy cups because we've been losing them. We got green beans, frozen green beans, corn, mixed vegetables, peas, and stir fry mix, ground beef. We usually do turkey, but they didn't have turkey anywhere. Then Sean got these Texas toast 5 cheese breads. They're awesome. We really like them. We used to buy them a lot. We haven't in a while. He got some dish soap, some dish pods, chocolate syrup, and some more Coke because he put his game system upstairs and now he needs pop to put in the little refrigerator upstairs. But that is it. Okay guys, so that's the last of our grocery haul. We got everything that we needed. We got all of our frozen vegetables. We're stocked up on meat and we're good. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and I will see you next time, homemakers. Bye.